Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a new episode of my How to Thursday series. And today, this is a spring episode. We are outdoors, teaching you some exercises you can do outside without any equipment. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to learn how to do kick-throughs. Let's go ahead into our starting position, which is a high plank. We are going to first start with our hands stacked directly below our elbow. Come up into a high plank. Our neck and spine is neutral, and we're creating a straight line from head to toe. This is our starting position. We're going to balance ourselves onto our right hand and left foot as we rotate our hips out and up and kicking our right leg through before gently returning to our starting position and rotating to our opposite side, balancing onto our left hand and right foot this time. We kick through with our left leg and return to our starting position. That, my friends, is one repetition of a kick through exercise. Let's go ahead and do a couple of those back to back to see how they flow together. Again, hands are stacked directly below the shoulders. We come onto our feet for a high plank, and we're creating a straight line from head to toe. We're going to balance our weight onto our right hand and left foot as we move our hips out and left, kicking our right leg through and returning to our starting position before rotating to our opposite side. Left leg kicks through as we balance our left hand and right foot. And we return and alternate. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And that, my friends, is how you perform a kick-through exercise. If you're new to exercising at home and you need a variation for this, feel free to work yourself up to this exercise by working on your high plank, your mountain climbers, and your shoulder tap variation. I'll show you those three exercises so I can show you how they can help you balance yourself. High planks will help you build that core strength necessary in order to hold yourself in the starting position. Shoulder taps will help you learn how to balance yourself between alternating between left and right hand. Then your mountain climbers will help you with developing that core strength, the upper body strength, as well as learning how to balance between an alternation of left and right leg, so that then you can perform your kick through with ease. And again, that, my friends, is how you perform a kick through. If you learned something new, smash that thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post new routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.